Hey friends, welcome to another video of analysis of the Forex markets. My name is Jay Flores. Thank you for being here one more time. Today is Sunday, October 25th, and we're going to look for the possibilities of trades for this upcoming week or the next few days. I am using the multiple time frame system right here, right in front of your charts, front of your screens, sorry. And I really recommend it for anybody who's struggling with Forex. This is going to help you a lot. It's just going to take it from 0 to 10 right away. So I really recommend it. So we're going to start going right away. Okay. For this week, we always start in the 4-hour time frame. I like to do top-down approach. Sometimes I look at the daily, but if I zoom too much, you can see. For the month of October, we've been coming down pretty much on this pair, but we're going to start with this pair. I know it's not on line right here, but we're going to start with the AuCAD and see what we're waiting for the next few hours, okay? Because we like to trade what's going to happen in the next few hours, right? Not to tell you what happened in the past, but that's what we have. Master trend for a few weeks has been down, as you can see. It's doing lower lows, lower highs also. So we have a magenta arrow right here. One of the questions that I got this week, and I promised that I was gonna answer during the videos. Let me get rid of that line. It's pretty much the approach. How do I decide to enter trades? And it's pretty much very simple. I mean, we have the system, right? And the system is telling us the master trend automatically. And right away, it's going to tell us the moment you open your chart. Also, the system is going to show this arrows. Okay, when you have green arrow, it's 4 hours. Red arrow, it's a 4-hour also, but coming down. Green arrow, 4-hour coming up, and red coming down. But when we have green and then a magenta, which we call the magic arrow right here, that's pretty much when you have daily support, when you have 4-hour, when you have a weekly support all together. So the possibilities right there are super high that the market is going to have a reaction. Okay, and normally what we're needing is that reaction to do a reversal, and that's exactly what happened last week, or in the last 2 weeks, with AuCAD. Master trend was coming down. Now we advise our students in our group not to take this, because those are against the trend. We call them pullbacks. Okay, so it's doing a pullback. But this week we have a 4-hour arrow right there. We're gonna make it a little bigger. A little bigger right there. We had a 4-hour arrow. Plus we have the MA. So it's very possible for the market. Okay, we'll still have a little bit of momentum up, but it's very possible that in this area of the market, it's gonna start coming down. Okay, and normally, if you want to see how far the market is gonna go, you can use different systems, different ways to do that. But normally, you look for support and resistance, and you can see this arrow right there that it was a good support in the past. So it's very possible that the market is going to come here. Okay. Obviously, the market is not going to come straight line. Sometimes it does. All depends. But it's going to start coming down. So that's going to be the direction of the market for the next few days. Then the market. Okay. Then the market. It's got to go up one more time, okay, in the future. Now, this is more into a week or week and a half, but this is what we're waiting for this week. Let's go to the 1 hour so we can see closer. It can go sideways right here, but it can go straight down too, okay? So after that, we are going to wait. In our system, we're going to wait for the magenta arrow anywhere in this area, so we can go down with the master trend, and that's the real trade for us, or the less risky, because that's the highest possibility trade. Okay, that's the odd cat. So I'm gonna start going up the different way. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this week, because I want to do a middle in the middle of the week. I'm probably gonna do a kind of training. I'll answer some questions also. Now, talking about some subscribers were asking me, how would I take this trade if, for example, if you don't have the system, which makes it a lot harder to find trades. I will definitely go to the 1 hour or even 30 minute in your MetaTrader. Make yourself you can make yourself a trend line just like that. When you see the market crossing the trend line down, you can enter for a trade. Okay. Now, if you enter for a trade right there, obviously it's always going to do a retest, or you can wait for the retest after they have a trend break. Wait for the retest and then go into the market. Okay, so that's one way you can enter a trade. Okay. Also, if you have an MA, you can also insert a, let me see, a 50 moving average is a very good one. You see, insert it right there. A lot of people that are, high risk traders, the moment they see that the 50 MA is broke, they enter into a trade also. But I think it's better to wait for the trend line and the 50 getting broke down to enter into a trade. I think there's always going to be a better chance for you. Okay, so that's a tip for you. That's the tip of the week. Okay, let me get rid of the 50 MA right here. The moving average. Okay, delete. Okay, 4 hours. Let's go back to 4 hours. So that's what we're waiting for the next few hours, few days, few weeks right here, the long term. Okay, let's go to the Euro odd and see what we got. Let me make this smaller. That sound you get is the alarms and the alerts that we get. Okay, with the system, it'll send you an alarm. You can get you on your phone also, on your email, wherever you want it. It'll send you that a certain pair is already touching a new resistance. Okay, in this case it was right here, the new resistance, the 4 hour. So if I want to know what is the master trend in this, all I have to do is just make this a little smaller on the 4 hour, and I know automatically that our master trend is coming down. So this will be a pullback. We don't recommend trade pullbacks, especially if you're new with trading. Stay away from pullbacks because those are gonna eat your account alive. Okay, so but I'm still gonna tell you the direction of this. Okay, we're inspecting the market to probably, well, already started going down. It's probably going to start going a little bit higher. Let me see if this can have possibility to do another low. I think the market is gonna come a little bit lower. Probably do another lower low. We'll see. Maybe around here. Then the market is gonna go up in 3 moves. Then the market after that is gonna drop again. Okay, that is the forecast for this week for the Euro odd. GBP MXN or GBP Mexican Peso. Let's go to the 4 hours. I'm gonna zoom in. Daily. Okay, master trend is coming down with the GBP, and we have a magic arrow, but that's gonna be a pullback. Okay, but the market, we're expecting the market to go. Start going to the top. Then the market is going to do a retracement and go up one more time. So impulse, pullback, or correction, then another impulse. This can be this size. It can be, you can see it right there, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse. Pretty much. If I go to different time frames right here, we can even see that one too. So that's what we're expecting for the market for this week on the GP MX Mexican. NCDCHF, let's look at the last two. Okay, NCDCHF, master trend on this one. It's coming up. And right now we have a 4 hour arrow doing a pullback. So we're in a pullback right now. So your best trade for you to be safe and the most accurate trade will be wait for this pullback to come down, maybe to those area right there, maybe to that area, but it's going to come down maybe in 3 moves. After that, we will look for an entrance to come up for another move up. For NCD CHF and the USD CHF, what do we have? Okay, in the NCD CHF, we have a master trend coming up, and that's a good trade for this week. That's going to be my favorite trade of the week. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Yep, that looks like a real good trade for this week. So don't miss this trade. If you want to know how to enter this trade, same way. I would definitely put myself a trend line right there. And if you see a strong candle closing above this trend line, you can just go for the trade, and always take profits, because this can go for 30 pips, this can go for 100 pips. So always take profits so you can be successful all the time. This is a good trade. So we're going in an up direction on the USD CHF. Another recommendation, always look for news, because all that we're saying right now, all the forecast is subject to change because of news. And I'm not talking about, spikes. That's what news is going to cost normally. Spikes high, spikes low, and that will not change the whole direction of the market, but it will tweak it up and down, scaring a lot of people, taking stop losses and taking for a lot of people take profits. So just be careful of that. Those are the direction of the markets. Okay, well, thank you for looking at one more analysis. If you are interested in joining our group or obtaining this miraculous system, you need this. You need this system. If you're struggling on the Forex market, even if you're not struggling, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Right now, the company is running this. If you use this code, you're going to get a $20 discount. And if you're going to get it, you're going to get it in the description below. Also, please email Tim with Irvin, which is the creator of the system, and he's going to give you another additional $39 off. You need to get it. Trust me, you need to get it. Don't struggle no more. Thank you so much, and I see you guys on Wednesday to check this pairs to see what the moves are. And if I see any new opportunities on Wednesday, I'm also going to present them here, or high probability trades are definitely going to put them here for you guys to benefit. Thank you so much. Your friend Jay Flores. Say goodbye and God bless you all.